Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM in 2026. So let me just open it up right here. And as you can see, we are not exactly doing too well, but if I press this button, I can add unlimited coins to Pocket FM. So I'm going to go ahead and press unlock. It's going to add the coins, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Pocket FM mod for your phone so you can get unlimited coins. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here. As you can see, right now I got 20,000. Not a pathetic amount, but not anything to talk about. So let's see if this goes up, and hopefully, oh my gosh, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM, keep watching, and I'm going to show you exactly to do this. All right, so the first thing we need to do is go to matrixmods.com. So on this website, guys, go to the search bar and just type in Pocket FM, and you're going to see it right here. So press on it, press download. Before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, so you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and basically it's going to say almost there, additional files are required. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So you can see we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9. We got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So I usually like to do like the game related ones, like this Travel Town's pretty simple. You just got to reach level 10 or whatever. So yeah, just make sure you do a couple of these apps, guys. You're going to be good to go. So yeah, this is super cool. So as long as you download like 2 of the apps, you're going to be all set. So other apps, we've got like TikTok, we got Scanner app. So this one's like install the app and open it. But yeah, I mean, if you guys follow the steps, you should be good to go. So let's go to the App Store and type in Pocket FM just so I can show you guys how bad it is. So look at this. You don't need the normal app installed, by the way, but if we go down to the in-app purchases, as you can see, yikes, look how much the coins cost. So if you guys want to pay that, that's up to you. But I'm not doing that, bro. It's not who I am. So yeah, as you can see, guys, look how much coins we have. This is insane. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. The only thing I can say is make sure you go to settings and you got low power mode off and you got the background app refresh turned on, because those are very important things, because the background app refresh keeps apps running in the background and stuff. And then the low power mode is like bad because it's like your battery is being strained because it's like saving battery, but then you're trying to download the apps to do the verification. So it's like a double-edged sword. So be sure to try us out. I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get rich on Pocket FM in 2026 if you want to get unlimited coins. Also, there is the anti-ban in here, so you're not going to get banned. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. I don't have to jailbreak or anything like that. So this is super wild. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it if you want to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM. So yeah, as you can see, we got all the apps here. So you just got to download like 2 of these. You're going to be good to go. It's super simple. So be sure to try it out, guys. I've tried everything and this doesn't work, but now I am finally learning about it. So it's super cool, guys. So be sure to get the word out if you want to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM. I mean, this is crazy stuff, guys. There's lots of haters, though, that will tell you that this doesn't work. They're lying. This is a new method. It is fully working, guys. So be sure to try it out if you want to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM right now in 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, my crew. This is wild stuff, and the crew needs to come back and show us how to get unlimited points. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, tell your friends about it, and peace out, my guys.